This is Twit.
Another thing that you'll notice here is that so I'm in the wallpaper app or whatever they call it, the styles and wallpapers app, and down at the bottom there is a little style button. Now I did not go through the entire process here, so when I hit it, it worked. It didn't work for me earlier. Never mind. Here it is. These are styles. So these are Pixel themes. So this is the theming capability that is coming to the Pixel 4, the ability to theme the device. And basically once you get it going, you can determine like different fonts on your device. I've literally had no time to play with this because earlier I couldn't even get it to work. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, but basically you can go through and you can customize the look and feel of your app, of your whole home screen and experience, but it's pretty limited still, right, Mishaal? It's not like an open field where you can just go crazy. You're there's select few things within each section. Is that right?
Yeah, the current selection that you see, this is actually like a limited version of it because it hasn't been fully leaked yet. Like there should be 5 fonts on that page rather than 2. There should be 5 icon fill. If you go to the next page, there should be 5 fonts there. There should be 5 icon different options here.
Okay.
So those are missing. These are all correct. This is the full amount.
The color pickers.
The colors, yeah, the color pickers.
There we go. Well, green. It's Android.
And so, those are all the correct shapes.
Oh, okay.
And one more thing that's missing in all the leaked APKs is clock customization. So you'll be able to choose the lock screen clock. There used to be 3 options. There used to be like a bubble clock, like a stretch analog clock, and a text clock. But they got rid of the text clock. So I don't think that one will be there when the Pixel 4 launches.
Okay.
And actually, I'm not even sure if the clock customization itself will be there because we haven't seen it yet on any of the leaked devices.
And so I hit apply, but on this leak, it's not actually going to apply it. It's going to be, it's not a fully functioning app at this point. Right?
It's fully functioning, but you have to install it the right way. If you just sideload the app from APK Mirror, then it won't work.
That's right, because the walkthrough that I saw, you had to do ADB into it and do a command in order for it to stick. So that's the component that I ran out of time on. Yeah, a little bit of work. But I mean, in the grand scheme of things, probably not compared to most things you'd find in XDA. So not too shabby to just have to do a single ADB command. Okay, so then that's something to look forward to, theming, and we'll, I'll be curious to see the extent of that when the Pixel 4 comes out. But I feel like people have been asking for this for a very long time, and it's nice to see Google finally embrace it, at least to some degree.